then just press F9 to proceed.
I don't know whether it's correct. I cannot find the motto.
Motor, never mind, because I cannot find the motor picture.
This one don't have. Can download from internet.
Okay. Download from their website.
Okay.
The Weintek website.
So then just download. Must be WeChat lah. Must be this.
Yes.
They have like inside.
Yes. But not just a picture of easy Weintek.
I don't know whether it's correct or not.
Is it working?
Now I'm going to download to HMI. So what should I going to do? Save, file, save,
Yes.
file, save under what?
In your folder. Maybe HMI 2.
Where's my folder? Put save lah, or save as.
Save as.
Save as.
You want the symbol of motor, right? Picture of motor. Yeah, picture button, switch, valve. Motor pictures.
So now I save ready. I go minimize.
No need, save ready, then go to project, need to transfer.
Okay, go to project.
Download. Or you want to test in the PC first, also can. Online simulation.
Online simulation.
Yes. So this one can test in the PC. So we know whether it's all
Nothing.
Wait. Okay, nothing. Okay, close. Still being prohibited from accessing local. Please check the statement part. Okay. First, we check. Go to home. System parameter. Yes. Double click the Schneider Modbus TCP here. Yes. Double click. Okay. So it's a Schneider Modbus, right? Ethernet 192.168.0.100. So your PLC. Okay. 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 Alright. M1, M2. This one not MW. This one is what? Double click.
Become bound lah.
Yeah. The part is
Q0.
Yeah, okay. You click here. Q0, okay, close. And close. Okay. This one, the time. This one is what actually? I think not MW0. Is
Address wrong lah.
Yeah, it was wrong.
This M.
TMP reset.
TMP.
Yes. Okay. The
TMP.
format.
Okay
Yeah, no, the format we check first. Format 16-bit unsigned. Okay, you okay? Okay. Right. Then this one is a TMV, right? This one is correct. TMV, okay, okay.
It's okay
Yep. Save. Yeah, save. Is it all the three LED is on the router?
Blinking.
LAN 1, LAN 2,
And LAN 4.
LAN 4, all blinking.
Yeah.
Okay, means all communicating. Okay, go to project.
Online simulation.
Yes. We test again.
Only 2, 3. Not coming.
Coming. Okay, but why? Why no value? We go to our program.
Di sana?
Yep.
Di sana?
Go to configuration. Okay, this one fix IP, okay, all okay, then why cannot? We click here. This one the simulation, yeah. Okay, never mind, can close. We try to download. Go to the HMI software.
Download?
Yes.
PC. To HMI 20.
All finish. Close.
A bit slow. Nothing come up. 5 seconds. Stop supposed to be 10.
Okay, you open your program, the PLC program.
So,
Yes. Go to programming. So you can see the M1 is on, right? When I press M2 is not on, so maybe we need to check the address here lah.
M2 not.
Can you see? I press M2 not on. This one okay. Can you see this button? This one okay. Maybe the label is not there. Later we can check lah. But this button is not working.
Then
So we go to yes.
Malaysia.
Yes.
And
Simulation the software. We double click here. We check. No, not the text. Sorry. Double click the yes. Not MW. M2. Oh, wrong. Not set word. Must be set bit. It's a bit. Okay. Close. Cancel. Delete the one.
This one.
It's a wrong button. Okay. Go to object. Set bit.
This one is start.
M2. Stop button. Correct. M is correct. M2. Okay. The command is stop. Okay. Why don't have label? You click OK. Because you must put label. No. You bring it. You put down below the stop. Yeah. Yes.
Then this one pull in.
No.
Click again.
If you want to put the name inside the button, is label. You double click. Go to the label. Yes, use label. So just now you use this.
Wrong.
This one, right? So actually got what happened. The name is behind this button. So you put the label here. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Stop.
Stop. Okay. So that stop you can take up. Because it's on. Actually go behind the button.
Same to this
Same
one.
for this also. That one delete. The text can delete. So right click delete. Yes. Okay, double click the button, use label. Okay, but if you don't want to use label, can, but you need to put the name on top.
So I use label, I put here,
Yes.
start.
Yes. Okay. This one no need the start name also. Okay. Only the
Program.
Schneider cannot. Okay.
So now download lah.
We go there. Why the number is not showing? That one.
This one.
Yeah. Double click. This one is a numeric object. Okay. Go to
Format.
format all. Okay. Okay, next shape. Okay, font. The font color you change because I can't see the number. Can you see? If you see like this, can see. But like this, the color change to black. Yes. Okay. The second one also.
Must delete? No need.
No need. Just go to font, change the color. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now what happened on the time?
But this one shouldn't have a. This one can set. This is only a display.
Yes.
So
That one is, I think, correct. You double click. You already. That one is correct. Okay. Why the name on top is not appear here? Okay. You double click the timer here. This one is just text, right? Area.
input this one.
But why is not showing here? Use as a comment, not shown in the the first one you no need. Okay, we try to download again. Save. Okay, download. Go to project, download. Yes.
Done.
Download. Yeah. Right.
Okay, when is exit?
But why the name is not? Now can stop. Okay, but why the name is not there? Let me check. Let me just want to check. I take another one. Let's see. Okay, this one is okay. We need to. What is the difference? All okay. Security. Oh, no need this one actually. No need security. I think by mistake. Yeah. Wait, let me check. No need security. This two. This one no need. Okay. Let me try simulation. Timer display is there, right? Timer input is not done. What is the difference? Aerial 16 color is black, center no movement, okay. Security no, object class none, profile okay, nothing. So we follow that. Aerial 16 black, none, center no movement, security this one.
Register what?
So just now was enable, so means it become it's not like only name.
So just now you have to take away lah.
So need to take away. No need. Apply. Okay. So now should, let me save for safety. Now should work.
Come out already.
Yes.
But how come the number is not in the center?
Okay, and that one can do. The one can do in the shape, font, alignment, center, vertical, center, okay, horizontal, vertical, center, apply, okay, you see, center. So that one I'll just setting under the font, horizontal center, vertical center. Okay, we save acceleration.
So from here simulation can use
Can test also. Okay,
So
and
it's
one
like
photo pictures.
stop.
Can. Bit lamp shape. Here picture library. Look for any picture, meter, switch, 5 meter lamp, industrial equipment, valve cord. Browse library. This one, if we download, so many pictures.
This one can download in
It's already inside.
Oh, okay. This one's lower. Motor.
But I don't think so. Moto cannot change the color. It just become a picture only. So let me try this one. Add to project. Okay. This one step 1. Let's say okay. When 1, you need to add another picture. When 0 this picture. When 1, use another, need to add another picture.
You need to put 2
Yes. Can I change color? No. Because now cannot change colors.
So now only one motor lah. You're gonna put one more.
When it's 0, 1. Picture, motors, yes, motor. Because pictures cannot change color, right? There's a
blower.
image, image only. Can change colors. And all this not same. If same, we can try. For example, this okay, it's already there. Okay, for example, 0 state 1 don't have, because this is a picture only. So what you can do is, okay, I will show you. This one we leave it like this. Okay, maybe this one we can change color. Okay, we try first. Whether red green can work or not. Okay. Check. Picture library. Okay, this is used as a picture only.
Just now you put the 0 and 1, means 0 is
Red color.
stop lah.
Stop. Sometimes some pictures cannot change colors. You see here, this right. But when I test, sometimes it become blue only. See, still blue, right? Oh, I didn't save.
Can make it that the picture like stop, the picture will disappear. Start, the picture will come out.
That one can. You mean this one?
Yeah.
Excuse me. I put another one. So I just need to explore. Q0. When it's one, picture library. State 0 only. State 1 cannot. All state 1 means when it's on, it will show. When it's off, it becomes 0. Oh no. When it's off, so inward signal. Okay, let me try. Get here.
Still happen.
Still same. Q0. Alternate image on state 0, state 1. Try. Never try before all this. Ship. This pipe.
Why they got 1 and 2?
Yeah.
One step, stage, object.
Objects 2. I don't know. No, I think it's because we already have 2. That's the reason. Let's say I delete this one. We try. One. New library unattached. Let me see, this one can change color. State, only one state. I need to explore. Check. Work lab, build lab, animation. You can do like this only. So you can change color. Zero. And this can, if picture means this picture only. Picture can I change color? This can.
How you go to the motor? That's all.
Oh, no, I'll show you. Device no response. The motto is, can go to picture. You want to use the picture lah. Picture library. So normally this one you won't have. It's two. You will have others all.
Why these two happen?
Okay, like this lah. Others lah. You will have others like this. But if you want to add mottos here, browse library. When you browse the picture, you have all this tanks like this, right? Once all okay, let's say you want to add this. It's already there. Okay, let's say you want to add this, right? Need to select add to project. So once you add, so it will come out here. This one original. This one just now I add. So I have this pump.
But this pump is fixed one, I cannot move one.
Can move.
Impeller pump.
So I want to put a shape or something, can. If you want to change color, must be within this. This one all can I change color? Then meter, very simple. Switch. Industrial equipment. Wall can. Got wall. And see, wall can change color. What 5 states? Wall.
Only this side valve, no other kind.
Only this one. Like this, I mean. So we see whether I can change color or not. Off, red color, on, red color. But it's showing black color. Try and see. Q0. I know response. Try to download.
Save already,
Save. See, the valve can change picture, change color. Right. Because it's already there valve. This one we add from the live picture. So only can use as a picture. Because the valve got state 0, state 1, got 5 states on and off.
This valve can use as a water regulator valve.
Yes.
The project inside got picture, is it original or download one?
No, it's already original. I never download.
Just now you go there, how you go to the valve, everything?
For the valve, you go to library. Here.
Click here.
Yes. Here. So whatever got system can change colors, all that.
Oh, okay.
This one all I added manually.
Okay.
You want to add manually? Here.
This one.
Yes.
Then this another one.
It's a new library. This one you need to download from the website. If you download from the website, you can add here.
What website? Same.
The what? Weintek website.
Renewable or Weintek?
Same. Renewable.
Okay. So that means that so we go to library, then we just tap here, whatever the system is. Okay. Let's see. So like now this switch how we gonna add in
As a switch.
yeah.
Okay, so we can't use in the picture. So this is just a picture only. So close. You delete that. You delete this.
Like on, off, start,
Okay.
stop.
So you must choose set bit.
Okay,
Yeah.
set bit.
Okay. Okay, let's say M1 and choose alternate. You click here. Choose toggle. Toggle.
Oh, toggle
No, this toggle. Not this toggle, the other toggle.
this one.
Yes. It means that you press once, it on. You press again, it off.
So
Then go to shape. Need to play with the shape. Yes. Go to picture library. Here.
tap here. Then go
This
to
one
the
is
switch.
Switch. Okay.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the one.
Okay. Click.
Okay,
So you just check 0, okay, 1. Okay, become like this, Okay, make sure it must have two colors, two pictures like this. One is 0 means off, one means on. Okay.
Now 0 off.
Yeah.
But the color can change,
Yes, you try and
Okay, now is 0 supposed to be red color.
you try.
Then I go to 1, should be green color. Okay. Then
Okay.
so shape okay, library. Must go library na?
No need.
No need
Label, don't use label, take up.
No need label.
No need label.
Then you just they use as a label here.
Uncheck.
Uncheck.
Okay.
What do you mean use label?
Use label means in the picture you will have the name. Start, stop, all that.
Oh, then you click this one.
If you want the name inside the picture, you click. If you don't want, then no need.
Okay. Then general, start, stop.
Yeah.
Okay, I just say okay.
Yeah.
Only one only.
Just try. You just try.
We already this one we purchase. Okay. This one. Then how about this one?
Can delete no need.
Okay. Delete the wrong one.
Yes, sir. You undo. Okay.
Where is the undo?
Click here. Beside the save.
Okay, the arrow.
Yes.
Coming. Delete supposed to be this one, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So now download.
Yeah.
Where? Check. Download PLC. This one must be done play.
Yeah, but
So I can use the hot water tank. Play that one
yeah.
slowly. One by one, step by step. Okay. Now I have. This one non-stop continue.
Yeah. You need to press again.
No, you cannot follow the timer already.
Because earlier the button is push button, because when you press on, when you release on. But this button add is you press on, always on.
They call it what? They got a name, latch.
Latch.
Okay, now I see if I start this button, they got 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5, stop. Latch. But the color never change.
Color never change.
Never change.
Yeah.
Stop. Okay, green color. So how about this start and stop? Can he make it disappear? Means that when the preset in on the temperature, then the start stop will come up, appear.
Oh, that like your system, right?
Yeah.
Double click here. I need to see this one can do or not. Okay. Security.
Enable and disable.
Okay. Shape. Label. Go to profile. Let's explore this one. Explore inside, because there must be a function called invisible. Invisible medicate. Let me try. Of course. Object. You use the set bit. Switch. is easy. The Weintek don't have any.
Don't have. 241 have?
No, the HMI.
Oh. So when now I put this one in, it keep on non-stopping.
Yeah.
So I press, you also cannot stop now. Start again. Okay. So how are we going to make this screen can see?
Big screen.
This PC. Now if I activate, you also can see, right? You cannot.
I can see the program.
Or cannot see the.
Yeah, I can see the program. Go to the program. Yes.
Only you can see the program.
Yeah, I can see the number. You press the button. No, the switch you click. Okay. You see, it's like a push button, right? So once you take out, so take off. You press the other button, you click.
Which
No,
one?
the on and off.
Yeah.
No. In the HMI, the on and off.
Yeah.
Can you see it's always true. That's why the lamp keep on.
Okay. So now I off. Cannot off then.
Yeah. You press again. Okay, it's off already. So wait for 5 seconds, then off.
Okay. I forgot the timer there.
It's like on off, like the selector switch.
But the color still black color, no green color.
Yeah, then change the color. Check with this now.
So now if I just want the no HMI, so I just off the HMI, right?
Yeah.
I just come here, I click.
What?
I want off it. I just want to simulation and the.
Okay. Then this one close. So many. Yeah, close all this. Okay. Then go here.
This one?
Wait. Online simulation. If you want to see here, online simulation. This one, here. This. Yes. That one you can just monitor.
That one still can use also.
Yeah, of course.
Then if I play here, you also can see.
You press, I think, can see.
Okay, now both sides can see. So like now I want to off. I only want PC simulation only. I just off everything only lah.
Yeah.
Set bit and set words.
Set bit means it's just on off. Set word means you can, when you press the value can go in. It's a value.
So now I come here.
Not that. You mean this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So right now, can I set this timer on here?
Yeah, of course. Right here. This one.
Oh, you must on it now.
Yes.
Then from here you can change now.
Yes, correct.
So this is only display now. So I have to save it up.
Yeah.
Then he got 10 seconds now. So what's the next now?
Next, we can do some. So check the compare function, the move function, the match function of that. Okay. So if the HMI is okay, we can close the HMI.
It's only need more practice.
Yeah, of course.
So how can I reverse if I'm not sure to reverse? The book also can.
Yeah, of course.
Same can teach you how to do it. Okay. So now this one we delete or save?
Close.
Close, huh? Okay.
This one can create new project.
New folder. Okay. Inactive.
Yes.
Inactive.
If you do the configuration,
Okay.
change the PLC.
Okay.
Okay, now what we do, like a compare function, right? So comparison is this here, right? Okay, click here. Okay, you on top. Yeah. So just put it the operation here. Okay. So let's say, but must be a value. Must be a value. So since this is a value, we must use words. Okay. So for now, later we do the analog. So for now, we can use the MW. So we put percentage.
MW is
Memory word.
memory was
Yes,
here.
yes.
So percentage MW 0.
Then you can put a symbol.
Okay.
Less than, more than, or that.
Okay.
You double click me?
Yeah.
Yeah, double click. Okay. After the MW0, you put, let's say, more than. Yes. Then percentage MW1. Okay.
Okay, enter.
Enter. Okay. So if it is red color means it's wrong. So it's second. Then the output, of course, can be any output.
I just pick a coin.
Okay. Just put one lamp or something.
Lamb lah.
Yeah.
Q. 001. Okay. Do you want to assemble the lamp? Yes. MW0 more than MW1.
Okay. So this is compare, so you can compare anything. So if you, this MW means is a 16 bit, right? lah, means 16 bit lah. So next one I want to use is MW1, right? 16 bit. So if I want to use 32 bit is MD. Double lah, MD. So 0 and 1 already used, so I cannot use. So must be 2, 32 bit. So let's say after this I want to use another double root, MD4. Need to skip 2 numbers because this memory is using the same number. So the W and the D share the numbers. Okay, so this one is 32 bit. All these are integers lah, right? Okay, so this one they call as an integer, this one they call as a double integer. Okay, so the values maximum is negative 32,768 to positive 32,767. This one will be 2.1 billion. Negative 2.1 billion to positive 2.1 billion. Okay, then if you want the decimal point numbers is MF6 because 0, 1, 2, 4 already used, next number is 6. This one is real. Actually real also is a 32 bit. So if I use MF6, the next number I can use is MF8. So 32 bit. So this one they call real or float. The value is very big. Negative 3.4 times 10 to the power 38 to positive 3.4 to 10 to the power 38. That big the number. Okay, but usually we don't use that big numbers lah. Okay, but if you want a decimal point numbers, then for example, if the temperature you want 35.5 degree, then I have to use real. The format.
So that means it's only half, then straight we go to the next one. You cannot. Can you use 32.1, 32.2?
Of course.
Cannot.
Can.
But the number will be higher or same like this number.
Same like this number. We can choose how many decimal point numbers we want to use. So the real maximum can go up to 7 decimal point numbers.
A million now.
Yeah, the correct number is different. Let's say for example, let's say
the double integer equals to 21 bit.
Double integer 32 bit.
32, then that one.
Which one is 32 bit?
No, the DIN.
2.1 billion the value.
BIL. DIN is the what? Double integer. Double integer under 2.1 bits. Billions.
Yeah. So negative, it can go up to negative 2.1 billion to positive 2.1 billion.
The billion and the bit the same, or L?
No, billion.
L. BIL, huh?
Yeah.
Why the W is MW0 16-bit, NW1 16-bit. Why you cannot use the MW2?
Can use. It means that what I try to say is, if MW means is 16-bit, MB means is 32-bit.
Okay.
So the number don't care. Can use any number, but we must know why I do like this. Okay, why I start with 2? Actually, I can start with 0. No problem. But if this 0 and 1 is not in use, I can start with 0. If it's, let's say, it's already used already, then I must start with 2.
Otherwise, there will be error come out.
Yes, not error come out. It won't show error. The value will have a conflict. Because the PLC tried to put the value here and also MD0. Both value will have a conflict. Okay, I'll show you. No problem. You go to memory word here. Here, memory word. Word with yes. You click on MD here. Okay. Can you see it shows this one and this one already used. But I never use right MD0, why not? I only use MW0 here. But what they showing is, they are showing that number 0 and number 1 is already used.
So no need to much worry. You just come in here, you can see which one you can use. Just click on it.
You just, let's say, so let's say if our program is all MW, because you use, let's say you will use MW from 0 to 21, for example, you already use it. So next data you want to use, you see MD. So you don't know from what number you want to start. Straight away can go here and click the MD, it will show which one is empty, and then can use.
Okay. This one is 36 NF. This is only for Schneider. They use this command only. That's why I come to MF I blocks already.
Yeah, MF only Schneider there, because Siemens, both the double integer and real both they use MD only. They don't have MF.
8 equals to real. $32 bits. 32 bits. First to real. 3.4 times 10, 38. But this one 34 times 10 times 38. Don't know how to count.
I don't know. What I mean, this number is like this. You know how big is this number? Times 10 to the power of 38 means 3.4. So let's say negative 3.4. 38 means must go 38 times. So the number is very big. 34,000,000,000. Very big. Billion, trillion numbers.
Only real and float only
Yes. So very big.
That one is a minus real.
Means no. I mean, I put it this because all these values you see, they have a range negative to positive. So this one negative 32,000 to positive 32,000. So let's say your value is more than 32,000. So you cannot use integer. You must go to double integer.
More than 32,767.
Yes. Or if the value is less than 32,768, then you go to
What's
double integer. Why? Because this one got 2.1 million numbers. This value also big. So this one also same. This one can go up to negative 3.4, very big, until 3.4 times 10 to the power of 38. You can open my slide. Inside the slide you minimize this. You Schneider percent. Yes. Go down.
this one?
Go down. Go down. All the way down. Yes. Can you see? This the double integer, signed double integer. See. 214748368 until 214748367.
My project will use until so big. No,
Normally maximum less than 100,000. So of course, because if less than even the 100,000, I still have to use double integer, because the integer maximum is 32,700. So sometimes some calculation will go more because we need to calculate. Then sometimes we need to divide, then we get some value and all that. But later we will use that calculation, all this calculation in our project, because we want to, whenever analog involves, we need to use calculation. So during the calculation, we need to know what type of data I need to use. Integer, this one. Even because, let's say, my value is very small. Let's say, for example, my value is 10.3. So 10.3 cannot accept in the double integer. Cannot accept in integer. So I must use real. Real, sometimes we call real or float. So I must use this.
10.3.
Yeah. Even the value is very small, right? 10.3. But because here integer and double integer don't have decimal point numbers, cannot store that value. Only real can store this data, this type of value.
When do you use the 10.3?
No, for example, let's say for example, your temperature. Normally your temperature, how much you gain?
Maximum to 65, 70
degree.
Yeah.
That 70 degree is your set point. But the temperature reading, it will be start from that
28, 20.
28.5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30, 31, 32, right?
Yes, correct.
So must have decimal point number.
Yes.
So the data they use real. They cannot use this, they cannot use this.
So they come with a MF already.
MF, they will use MF.
But my book is I write a lot, but all copy I still don't understand.
Yeah, you showed me all the calculation, you write, right? Yeah. Later we do, so you will understand better.
So this is all that the temperature, pressure from Fahrenheit change to Celsius. That's only. Then about the how many meter?
Yeah.
Inside also have the same.
Yeah. See, because you go meter, right? I said you go meter. Don't tell me it just show you 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter. No, right?
No.
1 meter, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.5, 1.9, and then 2 meter.
Yeah.
2.1. Sometimes 2.10, 2.11, 2.12. Slowly going down.
Every 100 lah. Every 100.
Yes. So every 100 cm lah.
So means that okay, from the stop point 0, come to water line, example, 8 meter sharp, exactly. So the thing come until, then you want to get a 0 point straight away, you want to go 20 meter, you put 28 meter. So when you come to 0, on the 8, your start point already. Start 0 already.
Oh.
Then you go to, because you already set 28 already.
Oh. So you don't set 20, you will set 28.
Yeah.
Oh.
You set 28, when you come to that.
Already 8 minus.
Yeah.
So values 20 are going.
Actually, he come down to 28. Okay, so from there we set 0. So we have 0. So every time when the supervisor say, okay, we will ask what's the depth, 30 meter, then we put 38 meters. Because from the start, 0 come down, there's a set point already. So when you reach to 38, this side exactly 30 meter.
30 meter, yes. Okay. So means it's involved calculation.
Yeah. This one you can build of A frame. When the driver will stand inside, then we from the top we just release the hydraulics winch, then we go down and come straight, go all the way lah. If somebody gonna reset then you have to restart over again. Come to exactly 8 meters, then set 0. Then from there start count already.
Okay.
All right.
We have a break. Then after the break, we continue. We do some. Just now one we test it out. We see how it works. Then how to use this and see the number. Then we do some calculation.
Good.
Cool.
Today cold lah.
Yeah, outside raining. Cool.
Spreading in China. Here are 5 symptoms you need to watch out for. Number 1, fever. Often the first sign. It can come on suddenly and last for days. Number 2, persistent and dry, making it hard to breathe or rest. Number 3, shortness of breath, a serious symptom, especially in those with lung conditions. Number 4, runny or stuffy nose, common in both mild and severe cases. Number 5, fatigue, extreme tiredness that doesn't go away with rest.
Okay, that's so big here.
close this. Yeah, okay. Close this. Okay, so we do some. Alright. Okay. Can you close this one? Right click here. Add run. Yeah. Then we do some calculation. So to do some calculation, we click here. We choose this. Let's put at the end. Okay. So operation. So how the operation works is this. So let's say we have two data we want to add. So let's say data 1, data 2, data 3. So MW0 and 1 already used, so we start with MW2, right? MW2, MW3, MW4. Let's say I want to add these two and put inside the data 3. So you have to key like this. Data 3 equal to data 1 plus data 2. So let's say you already created the name, can use that. If let's say we didn't create the name, we straight away key in the address, that it will be like this. MW4, MW2 plus MW. So you can build an equation also. Let's say I want to plus this and later I want to minus also. Actually this way, right? This way we normally use in structured text programming. Structured text programming. Like ladder, structured text, right? Structured text programming normally they will use this way. Because if you see, if you still remember, like in Siemens, they will have this addition, the input 1, input 2, then output. So here is the data 1, data 2, and data 3. It's like they use like a block type. In that one, mostly in Siemens, Elberly, Mitsubishi, Omron, mostly they use like block type. But Schneider, what they do, they act like this. They do like this. So this is like they call structured text. They use this way.
Structured text.
Yes. So we try this one.
Sorry, you're going to use delta 1 plus delta 2 lah. Data. So I just key in data 1 plus data 2? Or
You use this way. No, if you want to do this one, you need to key in the name.
okay.
But if you want to do here, the address, you use this.
Okay. So I use the MW4 lah.
Yes. The 2 dot equal.
Now it's MW4, 2
Yeah.
dot equals.
Equal, then MW2 plus MW3. And later we can.
MW2 plus MW. 3. Error. Error. Okay.
Okay, so we try this. You save, download.
Save to
Your folder.
my folder. They say, do you want to replace it?
No, you put a new name. You can put like Max. J3 Max Mathematics.
MATH.
Yeah.
Okay. Have no.
Oh.
You save no.
Yeah, then can delete. What is this? Yeah. You save again?
I don't think so. I save.
Okay, never mind. You save as a new project. Okay, never mind. No problem. Okay, you download this. Download to the PLC.
Yeah, download the PLC.
Go to commissioning, yes. Login and download.
Download to the controller.
Communication. Communication error. Okay.
What's the problem?
Can you close?
Close up.
Close the information, yeah. Okay. Use from where I get the 10 variance there. Okay. You select, okay, login again. Or you use USB to log in. Okay, never mind. No. Okay, so you select the USB. Yes,
Login.
Login, yeah.
Okay, start.
Start. Oh, so just now you already downloaded. Just now you got downloaded.
No, just only.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, so you can use the animation table. Right click. Right click animation table. Add new animation table. Okay. You click here MW0. Must put the yes.
W0.
Yeah. Enter.
Add.
Add. Yes. Okay. You add until MW4.
MW1 add and W2 yeah W3 yeah and W4 yeah okay. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 here.
Okay, now you can key in the value here.
W0
Yeah.
How many?
10. 10.
10 1, 2
Okay. So can you see the lamp on? Why? Because MW0 is greater than MW1. Correct. Because MW0 is 10. MW1 is 0, right? So comparison lah, such comparison. Okay, now we key value here. MW2 and 3, you key any value. One only. Number 1 only, others. You just key any value.
Any value
Yeah.
Look, don't have that.
Any value, then you can enter.
Okay.
Okay, you get the value.
How come the MW1 cannot? Don't.
You can key value, no problem. Any value you can. Just say, just no need that. Okay? Now the lamp on.
Oh, so the MW0 less than 25 lah.
Yes.
So you off lah. So that's why you put to 0, you on again.
Just now it's 0, right? Because the stand is bigger than 0.
So I put back to 0, we enter
0
lights
or 9. 0 to 9 will be on.
0 to 9.
Yeah.
That means the 0 will put 9 or what? Or this 0 to change to 9?
What I mean is,
in between just from 0 to 9.
The lamp will be still on. If more than 9 ready, then the lamp will off.
10 or off already
10 off ready. Because we didn't choose equal, because comparison got 6 types of comparison. You can use equal, not equal, greater than equal, less than equal. You can use 6 types of comparison.
Okay, so now then the 2 dot equals to 50 is plus 100.
Yeah.
What is this?
Yeah, because the MW2 is 50. MW3 is 100. So the MW4 is 150. The result.
Okay.
So normally any calculation, how we write? We will write data 1 plus data 2 equal to data 3, right?
Yes.
This is normally we write. But when we in the program we use the structured text, always the result will be in front. So we have to write like this. So why 2 dot? That is the format. So 2 dot, then whatever is the value.
The 2 dot called what? What's the name?
Colon.
Colon.
Yeah.
Colon.
So there's another one that is dot colon, right? Semicolon.
Okay, semicolon.
Because structured text, they use a lot of equal, colon, and semicolon.
Oh, this also use
Yeah. But for calculation, all just use these two equal and this one. Normally calculation and those. Okay. Now what I want to try, you try to put bigger values and see. Because just now we discussed that the MW is 16 bit, so maximum 32,000. So you try to put bigger values. Like example, this value 20,000 plus 20,000. You try. How much you get?
Yeah, how come 50 only? Minus 15,536 number MW4.
Yeah.
So MW4 minus 15.6. So still under integer one.
Okay. Now what happened? Right. Supposed to be 50,000, right? But it shows negative. Why? Because MW means 16B. Okay, I erase on. Okay. So this one is easy to understand. All PLC same lah. Whatever we are learning here, all PLC same. So that is the reason I can do trainings for different PLC. Because all PLC same. Only difference are normally mostly, of course, the software different. Other than that, different are normally the addressing format. MW. Actually Siemens also similar at Schneider. Schneider and Siemens are a bit similar the addressing. But if you see Omron, Mitsubishi, totally different. But the values we are using, the concept we apply is same. Okay. So what happened? MW2, you key in MW4, MW2 plus MW3. So you key in how much? 20,000 plus 30,000. So supposed to get 50,000, but I get negative 15,115. Why? The first reason is MW4 is 16 bit, which is negative 32,768 to positive 32,767. So the maximum can go up to here. But why negative? Why didn't stop at this? Right, okay. Because there's a reason for the negative value. So if we plot a graph like this, okay, let's say this is the negative 32,768. Here is the positive 32,767. So negative, positive lah. So let's say here is the 0. So the value, this one for the integer, okay, the value will go up to this level. Okay, up to this level. Once you reach this level, the value, let's say the value be the addition value, let's say it become 32,768, it go to this. Then from here it go towards the 0 like this. So suppose to get 50,000, okay, if we do the calculation right, 50,000 minus 32,767, how much we get? Then let's show you how it works. 50,000 minus 32,767. I get around 17,233. So what happened? This 17,233, right? From here to maybe this position. This value, if we see, is 17,233. So now this position is the negative 5036, which is this one. Okay, so what we do here? So let's say, for example, our calculation is like this: data 1 for example, data 1, where I add two datas. Let's say we talk about your functions. Because your system got temperature, temperature won't reach up to this level, right? Pressure, normally your pressure, they will calculate what? In Pascal or bar? Bar. Okay.
Maximum 40.
40. Okay. 40 bar.
40 bar trip already.
Anything else you have? Mostly temperature and pressure, right? I'm just thinking of how to show an example related to your system. Okay, for example, you want to calculate the weight something. Okay, 20,000 is, let's say, is 20 times. For example, okay, you have two systems, two weighing scale. So this one, whatever object, so you need to weigh both and need to add both. Okay. So let's say 20,000. The MW2 is 20,000. Means, let's say you don't count in ton, you count in kilos. In ton it's okay because 20 plus 30 still will be, you can get the value because it won't be bigger than this. But let's say you are counting in kilos. Okay. So what happened is, let's say the system is, you need to weigh both system and need to add up. So when you want to add up, so of course you will do like this, right? Because 20,000 is still inside here, can use. 30,000 is still inside here, can use. But the result cannot store in the MW4. So in this case, what we have to do is, we have to use MD. Must use MD. So this one we cancel. So still number 2 is available, right? So MD2 plus MD4, because MD means need to skip 1. Then the result must put inside MD6. Then if you put these values, it can calculate. Okay, so we try here, but I don't want to delete this one, so we already use until 4. So what we do?
6, 8.
6, 8 lah. 5, actually 5 can use, but we just keep lah. Okay, so 6, 8, 10. We do this, we key in the same amount, we see whether we can get the value $50 or not. Sure can get one. Okay, so you go log out.
This one log out, huh?
Log out.
Yes or no? Download
Yes. Okay, go to programming. Okay, you add one more round. Add round. Add round. Yeah, okay. You take.
same, huh?
Yeah, same. This one. This one. Yes. Okay, so you key in this one. MD10 equal to MD6 plus this one. So put 2 dots.
Okay.
Okay. Save, download. Okay, then in the animation table you add MD6, MD8, MD10.
Okay.
Now you try to key in MD6 and MD8, the same value, 30,000, 20,000.
$20,000, $30,000.
Yeah.
$20 or $50.
Now we can get the value. So this Actually, because you know why this one is important. So it's just a conclusion. But why it's important? Because analogs involve values. So when values there, we need to understand the data type we want to use. So the basic data type we will be using 4 data types. Okay, one is Boolean. Boolean is like your push button, like all that Boolean, on off. Second one is the integers. So like MW lah. The third one is double integer, which is MD. Then number 4 is the floating point, which has a decimal point.
The one float is a decimal.
A decimal number.
Then we're using NF.
MF.
MF. W, MD, MF. Boolean.
Good.
Yeah.
Any question until here? Any question?
This one must save,
Yes, yes.
Save under?
Yeah, it's already, I think it's saved as a new project, but in your folder.
Oh, new folder.
No problem.
Okay. So that's why the 4, 6 they plus together equals to 50,000.
Yes.
The 50,000 is what?
Any number. Because now currently we are not doing any projects, right? So it can be any number. Because sometimes, the value go more than that. Because sometimes any calculation we want to do, we'll multiply the numbers, then divide, then only get some small numbers. Because still this one is okay, but like elaborately all the analog value will be negative 30,000 to positive 30,000. Then if you do some calculation, sometimes it goes up, then we bring it down the value. Tomorrow I have a temperature sensor and I have a potential meter. These are got 2 analog input. So we connect, then we do, then we can try it out. So when temperature
So the analog input is all like input is usually
values,
temperature, pressure. Then when outputs go to where?
Normally valve, pump, motor means very simple. Analog input means any input with a range, with a value, can be any input with a value. So you can measure temperature, pressure, flow, level, motor speed, the frequency also can measure. Then humidity, okay. Then what else you can measure? So many things. Even the current
Okay,
consumption.
now we are talking about science, like pressure and temperature.
Most common.
Okay, so when the temperature is going, temperature is from PT 100
Yeah.
coming to the input
PLC. Yes.
PLC, then the output to, there's no output, only for reading to
Reading the value, but depend on the machine. Okay, I'll give you a situation. For example, let's say we take a oven, right? We take an oven. So let's say this is the oven. Okay, then here you will have the cooling heating coil. The heating coil. Okay. Now, now inside the oven, you set the temperature. Let's say I have a HMI. You set the temperature 80 degree. So you must connect a PD100, right? Okay. This one will go to the. I just draw a simple one. Okay. Let's say I have a PLC. So this one will go to my analog input. Okay, analog input. So this one to measure the temperature inside this oven. Okay. So who is controlling increase and decrease the temperature? The heating coil. So heating coil is just a on and off only.
Yes.
So you will have a digital output connected to your heating coil.
Okay.
So it not necessarily must be analog input. Output must be analog output now.
So then the reading is the numbers.
Yes.
Okay.
So what happened? Okay, let's say you put 80 degree. But currently inside here is 40 degree only.
Yes.
So how the PLC know is 40 degree from the analog input?
Yes.
So you do the program. Okay. So this is where, because analog always use comparison and math function and scaling lah. These three only mostly. Okay. So what happened? The analog input I convert into a because the analog input, it won't show 80, it will some different numbers. So as a programmer, we do the calculation, convert to Celsius. Once the PLC read the Celsius, the current Celsius and your set point, so not yet reached. So the PLC will on your heating coil. So it start working. Once the temperature inside reach 80, so the PLC it's already reached 80. So this is where we use the compare function.
Okay.
Comparison. So your set point, your temperature. So if the temperature is more
than
equal to your set point, then you off the output. Then the heating coil will off. But since inside here, so the temperature will go up a bit, 81, 82, 83. Then since this one is already off, then go down. So this.
That means the input, they will show that the 2 dot equals to more than 80.
Yeah.
Then he will cut off the coil.
Yes, correct.
Output of analog.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
This is what the model will do. So analog input for me, any device that can measure and give me a range, a value. Analog output means if you see analog output, mostly any device is motorized. Like you see, control a motor speed. Analog output can control a motor. Analog output can control a pump, still a motor. Analog output can control a valve, open close, still like a motor, right? Okay. Then analog output can control what? Like a damper, still an output, something like rotation. So analog output is mostly to control a rotation.
Okay.
So that's why we see in our machine, right, we will have a lot of analog input, but analog output only less.
Must understand what the output to use.
Yes, yes. But we must understand the temperature is for what I want to control. Like your system to control the temperature regulator.
Yes.
Regulator is like anything.
It's a valve.
Valve.
Open how many percent?
How many percent?
Yeah.
Because there's a valve just open close. It's become a digital. There's a valve that is at a value. Then that become analog.
So the valve control the valve to open is the output lah. That means analog output.
Analog output. Yes.
There's a one to give up 4 to 20 milliamps.
Yes, correct. This one will go to your device lah. That is your temperature regulator.
Just now the DO is what?
Digital output.
Oh.
Because heating coil just on and off only.
Okay.
To heat the coil. So it's just a digital output.
Okay.
If you want to control a valve, then it's an analog output. I mean, tomorrow we can see your wiring diagram as well.
Okay.
So we can understand better.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So this one is safe, huh?
Yeah, save. Whatever you do, you save. Then last day you can copy.
Then don't forget my 241.
Yeah. I need to install that because I already installed because I need to download the software.
The 241 and the what?
The HMI one I installed already.
This one.
This software, the HMI software, is my easy builder. I already installed.
So then you are talking about the 120. How come my one is not original?
Which one?
My Siemens 120.
No, it's not original. I'm not saying it's not original. It's got license, but it's just a basic license. Don't have professional license.
If there's no license, what happened?
You cannot open the project.
You cannot open money.
You cannot use the software already because it can use for only 14 days. Now you already how many years already? So the license is there, but it's just a basic version.
Of course, my concept, I always get the police come to arrest me.
No. Normally, you know what happened is because when you are involving in a project, when you do a project, example, let's say I do a project. So you give me a project, I do a project, I use this PLC. I do a project, I did program, now no problem. If let's say Siemens come for inspection, not others, Siemens come for inspection, not the company audit also cannot audit. Siemens come and inspection, they ask, who did this? You tell me, they will come to me, how you did. So who did the program? For example, who did the program? It's me, what software you use? Then where is the license? That's the reason. Because normally most of the companies they don't use license. I mean, companies yes need.
Only one they have.
Only one.
The rest don't have.
Yeah, the rest don't have. Companies they need normally. Because you know why? You buy a machine, normally what happens, let's say you buy a machine from Germany, they will offer with the software make money.
Another one thing. PLC.
What's that?
PLC.
Yeah. She already replied me already. She says she will send me the quotation by evening later before. Because she said before 6 she will send the quotation. So I'll send you the 6.
On the Friday last day maybe.
Yeah, because she said 1 or 2 days can get it. Here in Johor.
So bring home. I won't bring. Just leave it here.
Yeah.
Okay. My wife is chasing me. I don't know what's happening. Because on the Monday I cannot come in Malaysia already.
Yeah.
Because my passport will be Saudi embassy.
Oh, will be Saudi embassy.
Yeah. Then after that, once I get the passport, 3 days I fly already. That's why if I have this one, I will start playing already. Okay, I go first.
Yeah.
Take care. Bye bye. Một chắc các họ anh em mà anh cho
Actually, when I moved up to
ഏതേട്ടാ ഏതേട്ടാ ഓ അതാ അടിക്കാം ഇത് നമ്മൾ സ്ക്രീൻ റെക്കോർഡിങ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട് സ്ക്രീൻ റെക്കോർഡിങ് ഇത് തുറക്കാൻ സഹിക്കില്ലല്ലോ അടിച്ചു എന്നാൽ തിരിച്ച് അതേ വരുന്നത്